You will quickly learn how to access a folder in Google Drive web application on your PC from this video guide. First, launch your web browser, and here I'll be using Google Chrome for that. As your browser opens, visit drive.google.com and log in if you are prompted to do that. You can see the web link here. Once here you will be on the home page. Alright, to access your folders, click on My Drive. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Now take a look at the folders you have. Which one do you want to access? In this case, let me access this one named YouTube Business. So for you to access that, double click on that particular folder. Double click, not just clicking once. And you can see this folder has opened and I can start adding files inside it. Maybe I want to pick something I have in my PC and then add. I'll click on new. Then I will select the option of file upload, navigate to my PC and add it. But let's just do it practically. I'll select this. Then let's say I want to add this. I'll click on this and click on open. Give it time for it to be uploaded. And here the file is uploaded inside this folder. If this helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.